Hi, I'm Tony Miklinski and I'm the chair of Cupar Development Trust. What's that? Well, we exist to improve the well-being of the community in the Bell-Baxter catchment area, and we've recently been carrying out a pretty significant survey of what it is that people want to improve life in Cupar. And the big issue that came up, or one of them, was to make place tidier, cleaner and easier for people to access, both to get it at businesses and for the good of the community. So how are we going to do that? Well, we have been eliciting Fife Council's cooperation. They've agreed to help us deep clean the pavements. They're going to replant trees. They're going to wash down the bus stops and the road signs and do all sorts of other things like litter picking. We're going to do that with volunteers as well. One thing we thought that was going to be too difficult was to get rid of the blight that is the blocked drains and gutters and the vegetation, the weeds and the buddleia that are on the skyline round Cupar Town Centre. But now we've got a way forward. Fife Council have agreed to give us a cherry picker that can get up to the third storey for 4 Sundays. They've agreed to give us staff to go with it and a drone and an operator to survey the potential damage. And we've got a roofer, a local roofer, who's willing to do work at cost. So that's going to happen sometime in August and September, and we now hope to get as many of these buildings around Crossgate, Bonnygate and St Catherine Street repaired. But we need to contact the owners of the properties, and that's where this comes in. So if you're watching this, we're going to hold a meeting on the 25th of July at 7 o'clock in Castle Hill Community Centre, and there's other ways to contact us, and you'll see at the end of this piece how to do that. So please, if you're a property owner and you've got damaged roof, gutters that need emptying, vegetation that needs taking down, then please get in touch and we'll make it happen. We're estimating the costs will be less than half of what they would normally be. So that's what we're up to. That's Cupar Development Trust. Help us to make the big Cupar tidy up a success.